Introducing the Aerobar 5225S. Simco Ion Standalone Digital Aerobar Model 5225S ionizing bar is specifically designed to provide high performance with simple integration and operation. Adjustable and precise, easy-to-use digital settings allow the Aerobar to be used in a multitude of applications, ranging from inside tools to workstations and clean room areas. A choice of ionization modes, output voltage, and timing provide versatility to meet static charge neutralization requirements. Key features include: all parameters are held within the Aerobar, no controller required. Fully adjustable parameters for each Aerobar utilizing pulse DC or steady-state DC modes. Several Aerobar lengths including 3 lengths specifically designed for EFEMs. Ion current monitoring. FMS alarm output. Single crystal silicon emitter points. Infrared handheld remote.